Hi, Tara Monster here, and today I'm going to show you how you can make an oversized shirt fit you better. It's easier than you think. Let's get crafting. Fold the shirt exactly in half. Make sure you match up your side seams. And now you're just going to cut out the neck. Perfect. The next step is to cut down the side of the shirt. We'll use our shirt that fits us well as an example. Fold it in half and line it up. I usually like to give a little bit of extra room. And you can just cut right in to where your shirt is. The next thing I'm going to do is cut off the seams on the sleeves. And now all you want to do is cut all of these strips right in half. But before I do that, I like to stretch them out. And just to add a little bit of flair to our shirt, I'm also going to make these sleeves into fringe. All you have to do is cut strips all the way in till you get to the seam. Again, these are about 1/2-inch strips. That's usually the size that you want for most things. And this will be a little tough because we are, again, cutting through both sleeves at the same time. But that ensures that the fringe lines up. Now it's time to unfold the shirt. It's going to look like this. And now for my favorite part, cutting through these loops and tying them together. Stretch out all of your strips all the way down. And now tie them into square knots all the way down the shirt. And that's what it looks like when it's all done. Look at that fun fringe. Remember our sleeves? Once again, you want to pull these tight so that they curl. And now we've got some really fun fringe sleeves. And we will just do the same thing to the other side. Cut all the way down these strips, stretch them out, and square knot them together. And now look how well the shirt fits. We've got cool fringe going down both sides and matching fringe on our sleeves. If you like this tutorial, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can get a new DIY tutorial every day. Once again, I'm Tara Monster with Revival Inc. If you want to check out my handmade shirts, click the link in the description below. There's also a link down there so that you can download a free DIY ebook that I made on redesigning your shirts like this one. Thanks again. Bye for now.